Hey guys, this is Charles with Clm Auto Detailing and Car Wash. So I'm here doing a headlight restoration on this Beamer. And as you can see, it's cloudy, oxidized, deteriorated clear coating on them. So I have the headlights all prepped up, getting ready for them be sanded down and wet sanded and then buffed and UV clear coated. So if you need your headlights restored, they look like this, come check me out at Clm Auto Detailing and Car Wash. My phone number is 443-804-5295, guys. Come check me out to get your headlights restored back to crystal clear again. Y'all have a great day.